Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the rear wheel studs. To change the back shock absorbers on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely, before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the screw on the plastic protection. Then remove the plastic protection. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. Using a jack, lighten the load on the rear axle so that you do not put unnecessary pressure on the thread of the screws when unscrewing. With a socket wrench and an 18mm socket, unscrew the lower holding screw on the shock absorber.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Open the boot, then remove the boot mat to gain access to the upper shock absorber retaining screws. Using a pry bar, remove the rivets from the boot side textile trim. Still using the pry bar, remove the 3 plastic rivets holding the boot sill in place by prying on their central parts. Position the sill loops vertically. Pull on the full length of the boot sill to unclip it. Then remove the sill. Fold down the rear seats. Gently lift the boot's textile trim. Next, using a trim removal tool, remove the lower part of the textile trim. Do the same on the other side. Lift the textile trim. You will now gain access to the head of the shock absorber. Using a 6mm Allen key, hold the shock absorber rod and unscrew the nut with a 16mm spanner. Remove the upper support bearing. Remove the washer. Remove the jack. You can now extract the shock absorber. Remove the dust coat. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Before installing the new shock absorbers, it is necessary to prime them by pressing the shock absorber rod vertically so that the gas and hydraulic fluid are separated. Unscrew the lug nut on the stem. Then install the dust coat on the rod. Put the lower part of the shock absorber in place, then insert it into the upper part. Using the jack, lift the suspension slightly so that you have full access to the shock head threads. Screw the lower retaining screw back on using a socket wrench. Put the plastic washer in place. Put the upper strut mount back in place. Retighten the nut. Finish tightening the suspension strut support bearings retaining nut with a torque spanner. Put the textile trim back in place. Put the seal around the trunk back in place, placing it over the top of the trim to ensure complete watertightness. Reinstall both rivets. Put the boot sill back in place. Put the plastic rivets back in place. Then put the seal back in place. Reinstall the boot mat. To avoid damaging the silent blocks, make sure to finish tightening the shock absorber's lower fastening screw with the rear axle in the vehicle on the ground position. Put the plastic protection back in. Then screw the screw back in. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground. And block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.